Hello children, this is grade 4, block 10 and S2. Topic is presence of food in protein. Open your reader, page number 65, I am reading for you. Okay, foods with proteins. Proteins helps us grow. Eggs, pulses and groundnuts are some food items rich in protein. You can test food items for proteins by using dilute copper sulfate and dilute caustic soda. If the color of the solution changes to violet, the food has protein. So you read it again, underline the hard words and write in your classwork book. So here, today in this one, first I'll tell you what is protein. Proteins are good for body as they help the body grow, children, and build and repair cells. Therefore, proteins are called a body building foods also. So, in which food items the proteins are present? Meat, fish, poultry, milk, cheese, paneer, beans, pulses, peas, nuts. So these are all good sources of proteins. Okay, so when we take all these food substances, if this food substances turns into violet color, this means this food has rich amount of protein. Okay, so now we are going to do one experiment, children. I'll show you one experiment with milk. Milk is also protein, isn't it? So I'll show you one experiment. Okay, so take 2 beakers. Okay, here take 2 beakers, add 1 beaker milk and in another one water. Add water in another beaker. Okay, so next one what you have to add? Copper sulfate. Add copper sulfate to milk. 2 drops of copper sulfate in milk test tube and 2 drops of copper sulfated water also you add. Okay, just observe. And next take caustic soda. Add 10 drops of caustic soda in the milk test tube and 10 drops of caustic soda in the water test tube. Okay, just shake it slowly. Shake the test tubes and observe it. Right now you can see the color has changed, isn't it? Which color it has turned, children? Just you observe. Yes, slowly it has turned into violet color. So this tells that protein is there. See, it has changed the color, children. So here it has changed the violet color, isn't it? So when you observe carefully, the color of the milk has changed. So violet coloration appeared, isn't it? So this indicates the presence of protein in the food item. Okay, children. So what you do with this experiment, you write in your reader, left side plain page is there, no? So what you do, observe the experiment again. You write down aim. What is the aim? Presence of food in protein. Materials, what I have taken, 2 beakers. Okay. Copper sulfate, caustic soda, milk, water. Next one, what you will write? Procedure. Write the procedure, how the experiment has done. That procedure you have to write. Next, prediction you write. What you will write? Prediction. Remain same you have to write. Observation. What did you observe? Violet coloration appeared. Observe here the color of the milk. Violet coloration appeared. Okay, that you have to write. So conclusion, what you will give? This indicates the presence of protein in the food item. So presence of food in the protein. So that you have to write. You try write on the left side of the book. Okay, now turn to page number. You will see question answers, children. Here we will see the question answers now. Page number 68. Question number 3. Why do we need to eat food containing protein? What are some foods that contain protein? So why do we need? Proteins are good for the body as they help the body grow and build and repair cells. Therefore, proteins are called body building foods. Okay. So in which food items? Meat, fish, poultry, milk, cheese, paneer, peas, nuts, pulses, beans are also good sources of proteins that you have to write. How can we test a food item for protein? Just now I showed you the experiment, isn't it? So you write down this answer. How can you? So you write down I. I can test food items. Page number 65. This answer you write from here to I can test food item for protein by using dilute copper sulfate and dilute caustic soda. From here to protein you have to write. Till protein you have to write, children. Okay. Now open page. These 2 question answers you have to write in class workbook. Then take out your workbook, volume 2, page number 11. Food with proteins you have to go. So in this one, hypothesis. Just you imagine, predict and write down in which food items proteins are present. Next one, name of the food item. You write down milk products, eggs and meat products, nuts and seeds, okay, pulses and beans. You write down. So did the color of the chemical change? Yes. The color has changed to violet due to the presence of protein. That you have to write. Next one, tick the food items that contain proteins. So here idli is there. But here chutney is there. In chutney, groundnuts are there, protein. Chicken biryani, protein. Fish curry, protein. Puri and jaggery is not a protein. Okay. Now next one. Question number here, second one. If we eat a meal of vegetable and rice, how can we add proteins to it? Only vegetable and rice. How can you add? In vegetable, we can make sambar. Sambar means pulses, okay? Rice means if you add egg and rice. That you have to write. Next one. Which of the food items given in question number 1 contain both starch and protein? Question number 1, in which food item it has contained both starch and protein? Chicken biryani, okay, and you can write idli chutney also you can write, okay, that you have to write. So whatever the work I have given, do the work neatly and correctly, children. Thank you.